Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to PayPal account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your account. So then without any further delay, let us get started. So then open up your crypto.com and then log in into your account. As you open up your crypto.com, this is what the interface is going to look like. What you have to do is you'll have to tap on account, which is right at the bottom. Once you tap on account, next you'll have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and also make sure to select the cryptocurrency that is available on PayPal. As you tap on the wallet, now you'll have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So for this video, I'll be going on with Bitcoin. So just tap on it. Once you tap on it, next you can see in the top right corner of your screen, there is an option as transfer. Simply tap on it. As you tap on transfer, next there's a drop down menu. So from the drop down menu, tap on withdraw. After you tap on withdraw, next you'll have to select external wallet, which is right at the bottom. And after you tap on external wallet, now you have all the wallet address right over here. In case if you don't have the wallet address, then all you have to do is tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on the plus icon, once again there's a drop down menu. So from there you'll have to select wallet address. After that, select the cryptocurrency. Since I'm going on with Bitcoin, then all I have to do is tap on Bitcoin. Now you'll have to enter the wallet address. So then what you have to do is you'll have to open up your PayPal application. After you're logged into your PayPal account, from the home page, tap on crypto in the top. After you tap on currency, next you have a drop down menu. You can see now you'll have to tap on receive. Now you have your wallet address. Have to copy the wallet address. Just tap on copy, which is right at the bottom. After you're done copying the wallet address, once again open up your crypto.com. After that, you'll have to paste the wallet address right over here. And once you're done, tap on the tick icon located right at the bottom. After you're done copying the wallet address, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. You can see that the wallet address has been added, and you'll have to tap on withdraw, which is right in the corner. Now you'll have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once you're done, tap on withdraw, which is right at the bottom. And after you tap on withdraw, next page on the last interface, there is a confirmation. So then make sure to check all of your information, and once you're done confirming, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.